Whispers from the Brighter World, Beloved Master, Revered Babuji Maharaj, Thursday, October 20th, 1999, 8 am. Congratulations, a new era is starting. It's good to move with the times. You put up with the drawbacks of modern life. You might as well benefit from its advantages. Follow the example of my son, who uses with easiness all the advanced techniques. You have made a good decision that will make your life easier. The coming century will witness further discoveries and will bring a technology of which you have no idea. Man will be both its beneficiary and its victim. In many areas, his presence will no longer be necessary. Hence, serious crisis of a social nature. Every rose has its thorns. You can already see the manifestations of it, but regression is not possible. Since the beginning of time, man had to put up with evolution in all areas, disparaged because always inhuman in a way, it is inevitable. The best thing to do is to accept and to make the most of it. I would have adapted myself also, at least so I think. I was rather against all these innovations disruptive of habits, but one has to get used to them. As far as I am concerned, I will not ask you to receive these messages on computer. The quality of our contact would be affected by that. Therefore, let us not innovate really too much and for the moment keep this delicious intimacy in its current form. Babuji. Thursday, October 20th, 1999, 10 am. The medium says, My beloved, take me into garden full of flowers and intoxicating scents. My soul needs you. It is longing while waiting for you. You know well that we are never separated. Apart from our contacts, we are connected to one another by a kind of luminous thread. Your heart perceives it even if your mind forgets it. You should always be in need. We love this attitude. What is more moving for us than a soul connected to this kind of drop by drop emanating from us? You know well, my daughter. Didn't I say it time and again? So will it be until the end of your life on earth. Be patient. Finish what you have to do. Many would like to live this type of special relationship of ours. Continue to make your circle benefit from the vibration emanating from you, which is a kind of remedy for them. The medium says, Babuji, I will always be demanding you and missing you until the end of time. Thank you for all that you give me, but the word is too weak. My heart overflows with gratitude and my soul is delighted. Be blessed as well as the loving hearts around you. Babuji.